Welcome to the happy, mysterious ocean. Today, we'll meet three amazing animals who live in the icy waters of the Arctic. First, let's dive in and say hello to the polar bear. The polar bear is big and strong. It has white fur that helps it blend into the ice. Polar bears are very good swimmers. They love to eat fish and seals. Next, we see the Arctic fox. The Arctic fox is small and quick. It has white fur in winter and brown fur in summer. The Arctic fox likes to dig in the snow to find food. It eats small animals and plants. Finally, let's meet the walrus. The walrus is large and heavy. It has long tusks and a big mustache. Walruses use their tusks to pull themselves out of the water. They enjoy resting on ice and eating clams. Wow, the ocean is full of wonderful creatures. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. The end. The ocean is so big and full of life. Today, let's meet some wonderful friends who live in the chilly waters. Our first friend is the Arctic baleen whale. This whale is huge and has a big mouth with special filters called baleen. These filters help the whale eat tiny sea creatures called plankton. Arctic baleen whales are gentle giants that love to swim in the cold ocean. Next, we have the beluga whale. Beluga whales are also called sea canaries because they love to sing. These whales are white and cute, and they live in groups called pods. They are very friendly and love to play in the water. Last but not least, we have the narwhal. Narwhals are also called the unicorns of the sea because they have a long, twisty tusk. This tusk can be as long as a baseball bat. Narwhals use their tusks to feel around and to show off to their friends. They are shy but very special. The ocean is full of amazing creatures like the Arctic baleen whale, the beluga whale, and the narwhal. Remember, when you visit the ocean, you might just see one of these incredible animals. The end. Deep in the blue ocean, there are many amazing creatures to discover. Let's dive in and meet some of them. First, we have the Arctic shrimps. These tiny friends have long bodies and many legs. They love to swim and play in cold waters. Next, we meet the Arctic anemones. These pretty creatures look like flowers but live underwater. They sway with the waves and come in bright colors like red and green. Look over there. It's the Arctic starfish. Starfish have 5 arms and can come in colors like orange and purple. They move slowly and love to sit on rocks. Finally, we have the Arctic sea urchins. These round friends are covered in sharp spines. They roll around on the ocean floor and enjoy eating sea plants. The ocean is a big, wonderful place full of excitement and surprise. Until next time, happy exploring. The end. Once upon a time, deep in the blue ocean, there lived a happy Arctic cod named Charlie. Charlie loved to swim and explore the ocean with his friends. One sunny day, Charlie met a friendly fish named Capelin. Capelin was small and shiny, always sparkling in the light. They became best friends and loved to play hide and seek in the seaweed. One day, while playing, they found a curious creature hiding behind a rock. It was an Arctic eel named Ellie. Ellie was long and wiggly, and she loved to tell stories about the deep ocean. Charlie, Capelin, and Ellie would gather every evening to hear wonderful tales of hidden treasures and mysterious sea creatures. They loved learning new things and having fun together in their joyful and mysterious ocean home. The end. Once upon a time, in the deep blue ocean, there lived 3 friends, Penguin, Seal, and Krill. Penguin was a happy bird in a black and white suit. He loved to slide on the ice and swim fast in the water. Seal was gentle and kind. She liked to sunbathe on rocks and dive deep into the sea. Krill was very tiny, but he was important. He loved to float with his friends and glow in the dark water. One sunny day, Penguin, Seal, and Krill decided to go on an adventure. They wanted to explore the ocean and discover its secrets. First, they visited the coral reef. It was full of bright colors and many fish. They played hide and seek in the coral. Next, they swam to the kelp forest. The tall plants swayed like a green dance. Seal showed them how to twist and turn through the plants. Finally, they reached the deep ocean, where it was dark and quiet. Krill glowed brightly to light the way. They found a sunken ship and explored its rooms. It was mysterious and exciting. After their adventure, they sat together and watched the sunset on the horizon. They felt happy and close, knowing they had a special bond. With big smiles, they returned home, ready to tell their families about their joyful day. The end. Welcome to the joyful and mysterious ocean. Today, we will meet some big friends who live in the sea. First, we see the humpback whale. Humpback whales are very big. They sing songs to talk to each other. Can you hear them? Next, we meet the blue whale. Blue whales are the largest animals on Earth. They are very gentle giants of the sea. Look how huge they are. Then here comes the killer whale. Killer whales are black and white. They are very smart and work together to catch food. Do you see them jumping out of the water? Finally, we see the sperm whale. Sperm whales have big heads and make deep dives. They can stay underwater for a long time. Amazing, right? Our ocean is full of wonderful creatures like these. That's all for today.
See you next time.
The end. Welcome to the ocean. It's a place full of wonders. Let's meet some fun fish friends. First, we have the Antarctic fish. They live in the cold, cold water. They have big eyes to see in dark places. They swim slowly and look like little ice kings. Next, we see the Antarctic icefish. This fish has no red blood. It has clear blood like water. It is special and swims in the icy sea. Last, we find the lanternfish. This fish is like a tiny light bulb. It glows in the dark, deep water. It uses its light to find food and friends. The ocean is full of amazing creatures, big and small. Every fish is special in its own way. The end.